Hello everyone, Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's tip, just don't throw that old computer away. Are you getting rid of old computers or servers? Did you know that the parts used in the technology equipment are not landfill safe? On top of the environmental hazards, computers contain a lot of confidential and private information in the form of saved passwords, internet history, and files. The first step, find a local company where the device can be safely disposed of. Make sure you take the following security precaution. Destroy the hard drives. A drill and hammer usually do the trick just fine. Many companies that shred paper documents will also destroy your hard drives. Don't forget other devices such as mobile phones, copy machines, and any other device that ever touched your company data. Give serious thought to what data is on any device before you recycle it. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.